Welcome back to some Common Core Geometry. We're working on Module 5, Lesson 6. Thought we'd start out with the opening exercise on the bottom of page 65. I started the picture. I drew a circle. I labeled up the points to match the picture. And I created a diameter by drawing a line from a point on the circle through the center. I marked up the other point, and I marked a point C over here. And the next thing is, I guess the toughest thing to do is to make the picture look like theirs. So I need a 32-degree angle out here at C. So I'm going to go ahead and use this angle measure tool. If I click on that, the second choice is angle with given size. So I'm going to measure from B to C and give it a size of 32 degrees. I think I have to measure that clockwise the way I put in the points. Then it gives me a point B prime, which is great. I'm going to use this line tool. And I'm going to start out here, going through point B. And I know that's going to be a 32-degree angle, just like I need. And I can get this to intersect the circle where I need by moving the point around. So if I move it in, I get the intersection in 2 points. That should be point D and E. I'm not exactly sure where to put those yet, because I know that if this is point D, point E has to be over here, and we have to have DAE measure 46 degrees. So I guess I'll go ahead and label up point D. We'll point that intersection right there. I'll even create that segment, D to A, so we have that. I'm just not sure where to put point E yet, but I know we want it to be 46 degrees. So let's try that same trick there. Let's use this angle measuring tool. I want to go from angle D to A. I want it to be 46 degrees this time. I think I do want it to be counterclockwise. We'll find out. Nope. I'll undo that. We'll do it again. D, A. I guess it wants to be clockwise. Oh, that points all the way down here. I'm going to have to move it a little. I think it's going to do that. Oh, can't be. Oh, I guess maybe I can fix it by moving point this one. Maybe we can do something like that. All right, so I'll do another line tool. I'll go from point A through point D prime. So I'm getting my 46 degrees that way. And really, these two lines need to intersect and need to be on the circle. I can't do that, though. I certainly can move it. I guess I can just label up a point here. I'll label this one up as E. E. All right, let me do it. Let's do the intersection. Circle, and this one. And we're going to call that point E. All right, and let's move this back. All right, and maybe we'll zoom out a little bit so I can kind of see it a little better. Certainly hide things a little bit. All right, we'll just go ahead and measure up. We want to measure up angle DEA. D, E, A. All right. Let's go with the measuring tool. D, E. A. 36.54 it looks like. Really need to zoom in and hide some things to make that a little easier to see, but you kind of get the idea of. Oh, I didn't go to the right point, did it? I'll try it. Zoom out a little bit. Do it one more time. We'll measure up that angle one more time. D, E, A. So this curvy one, 37.91, so about 38 degrees, which is what it got. All right, so that's the opening exercise. I think there's we'll turn the page here, make sure I didn't have anything else that was missing. Nope, we'll try a couple more problems in a few minutes.